Hello and welcome to Learning in Your PJs with Miss D. This video goes over the even numbers and the odd numbers, and it's all about skip counting. You probably are already good at this, skip counting by ones, which is the even numbers and the odd numbers. We practice it all the time, but that's okay. You're probably going to see this in your math worksheets that you'll be doing at home, so go ahead and watch this video and see if it helps you.
Today we're going to practice skip counting. Now we do this every day in morning meeting with the red numbers and the blue numbers on the hundreds chart. Today we're going to practice skip counting all by ourselves without using that hundreds chart and without having it in front of us. Today I've written down all the numbers 1 through 8 because I ran out of room. But we are going to keep on practicing using your skip counting first by highlighting the odd ones only with red. I'm going to circle them. If you notice a pattern, I am literally skipping over a number, skip, and going to the next one. Skip counting is literally skipping over a number to identify our even and odds. Now I'm going to go do the same thing with the blues. Skip, skip, and skip. And you can see a pattern here. Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, over and over and over again. This is what you would call an A-B pattern. Repeats by itself, one and then it changes, and one and then it changes. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Quick little lesson on patterns there. Okay, moving on. To skip count without any colors or without having to look at any clues, you literally skip while you're counting. I'm going to practice the evens first, the blue ones. What I'll do is I'll count like regularly in my brain. Oh, hi Belle, she's back. I'm going to count regularly in my brain, but skip over some of them. I'm going to skip 1. I'm not going to count 1 because I'm going to start with 2. When I do the blue ones, the even numbers, we start with 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, I did it. I got all the blue numbers, all the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I could keep on going. And you probably heard me whispering all those other numbers that would fit in there, like 3, 5, 7, and so on. But I'm focusing on only the even numbers. So I said the even numbers loudly, and as I was skipping, I was still whispering the other numbers that would fit between these spaces. But I'm just focusing on the evens. These ones are the blue ones that we practiced in the hundreds chart. Let's see if I did it right. 2, is it blue? Yes. 4, yes. 6, yep. 8, and so on. Let's do the very same thing with the odd numbers only. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18. Ooh, if I can fit a 19 in there. Can I do it? 19. I'm not going to say 20. Not going to say 20. But I will say 21. There we go. Now I skip counted by using the red ones, the odd numbers only. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. I did it. Now, honestly, if you can memorize 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 for the rest of your life, you will know what your even numbers are. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If you can keep that in your brain forever, you'll be able to skip count all the evens forever. And if you can memorize 13579 forever. Memorize that. You will forever be able to identify the odd numbers. And even if you had a major giant number like 1,563,489, all you have to do is focus on the very last number. The very last one. This one will determine if it's even or odd. Let's see if you remember. Is 9 even or odd? I'm giving you a clue. There you go, it's 9. Which means it's red. Which means it's odd. Odd. Yes, the red ones are odd. So this big number, 1,563,489, is officially odd. Odd. Because we figured out what the last number is. And when we skip counted up here, we remembered that 9 belongs in this category, the odd ones. Even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. And there you go! A lesson on skip counting. Great job!